Welcome to another motovlog on the Grom. You're watching Dom's Wheelhouse, the home of anything wheel related. You join me on my way to a local classic car meet called Pool Shot Green Gathering. It attracts all sorts of cool old stuff and takes over a small village in Wiltshire just outside of Devizes. It's a great excuse to get out on a weekday summer's evening and check out some cool machinery from JDM Legends, American Muscle, bikes of all types. What shows up surprises me every year. It's a really cool meet. I'm partial to the JDM stuff personally, but I'm always stoked to check out anything with wheels. The point of the ride is also to test a prototype rear shock for ProTech. Full disclosure, I do work there and I have been developing a fully adjustable high performance rear damper with them, which will be released shortly. It'll be available in single or double adjustable versions with rider weight specific spring options, full billet aluminium, handmade in the UK, bump, rebound and spring preload adjustable. Stay tuned for the next video to see it in its final form. It's exciting stuff. I'm proud to represent the company and it's just a really sick part that I'm more than happy to have on my bike. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video.
There's your bikes over there. I'm going that way. Friends. Here we go. Hey. That'll do.
How's it going?
Hi mate, you alright?
Yeah, they look smart, don't they?
It's a funny little thing,
Yeah.
it gets
My
different
mate-
reactions.
Yeah, my mate's got one.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good.
I always wanted one, and now I wanted one when they first came out, like 10 years ago. But yeah, it's funny, I do like it.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
I thought I'd be too big for it, but just about manage it.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
This one.
Oh, nice man. So that wraps up. That was the pool shop meet. Oh, my voice is terrible. Met some cool people, saw some cool stuff, got a few clips of what I thought was cool. All in all, successful evening. Even got to talk about Groms. I need to pee so badly and I'm so hungry. Too dang hungry, man. Where the sign's at? Oh, bladder, very full bladder. It's a bit chilly now as well, it's so hot when we left. Full speed, baby. Oh, what a gorgeous evening. Honestly, this week has been filled with me riding and I am happy about it. Gonna drag my dang boot again. Friends, come on, let's go. Fully tucked, I'm officially keeping up with traffic at 65 miles an hour. Oh, look at that shock. Oh, yeah, it's cool. I am gonna go with another 2 clicks bump, and I'm gonna go 1 more click on the rebound. Oh, those extra clicks of adjustment have made a huge difference. Oh yeah, that's feeling pretty good to me, because it felt a little bit too soft before. Let's push it a little bit. That feels good. Full throttle on the Grom. Oh man, shock feels awesome. I'm going to stop harping on about it because I am biased. I'm feeling really grateful, so I want to give thanks to a few people. Thank you to ProTech for the shock absorber and being just really good to me in general. To my missus for putting up with all of my hecticness. Mark aka Oshana Sound for all the help with the channel, endless tech support. I really appreciate it, man. You never seem to get sick of me asking questions. Yeah, I'm in one of those grateful moods. Me and Elliot together are going to get pulled over. There's no real substance to this video, but thanks to anyone who watched. I appreciate it as always. I will catch you in the next one. Let's get sausage roll. Oh yes. Oh, is it going to be past 8? Can I not get sausage roll? That'd be such a bummer. It's going to be, isn't it? No! 8:14. Bummer. No sausage roll. Man, I wasted time when I could have been having a sausage roll. Bye!